Perfectly working.
Welcome, my beloved viewers. Even Doctor here. In the last video, I tried to show you how you can use a motorcycle wheel chain as your previous bicycle timing chain. Generally the timing chain is a very big problem for TVS bicycle users. That TVS King. The timing chain is so fragile. In most cases, it only lasts for weeks, which is very disappointing. That is after the first 1 year warranty. Once you start repairing the engine, you find yourself always having to change the timing chain. In a very short time, it's slackened, and that makes the engine to lose its timing, so you get difficult starting problem and you often break down along the way, which is very bad. But here we have the craziest hack you can ever get in the area of timing. So you can see, as in the video here, what you see there is a motorcycle wheel chain. You can imagine that. Not that tiny visual timing chain. That is very expensive, and the highest quality of it which cost in naira close to 20,000 naira, is only expected to last maybe a month or more. It's very disappointing. But with this motorcycle wheel chain as a timing chain, you can have at least a minimum of 10 years and it's still working without even losing the slightest millimeter of timing. That is wonderful. So as you keep subscribing and following my video, I'm going to take you step by step in each and every process I went through to achieve this. So you can do this instead of condemning that engine and getting frustrated and say, hey, I want to salvage this, right? I want to put it away, I want to scrap it. No, just hold on. There are many ways you can wake up a dead engine. Just follow me, your engine doctor, as time goes on. In my next video, I'm going to take you through the stages through which I accomplished it. So with a few tools in your workshop, you might be able to do it for yourself. God bless you as you watch. You can see for a test, it's perfectly working, and this is strictly a motorcycle engine. You can see the engine top cover is modified because some space has to be created, and so far there is no leakage. And just follow me to learn more about how this came to be. Thank you, and see you again in the next video.